down like a demo. You don't really know you are.
What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video by Unangam. So on today's video, we're doing obviously a mukbang, or whatever you call it. I'm with Ulira. Introduce yourself, girl.
Hello, Dambili.
Lira, decided. We're gonna ask questions, and then it's a Q&A video, not question. So we're gonna be doing a mukbang. So now we just came back from wherever we were, straight up again. So the first question is, I'm going to listen. Serious. How has dating in 2026 surprised you the most? You color.
Looking back, relationships zakudala ufumanise ukuba ingathi like you guys are together kube mnandi. Ngoku amadoda awahoyi, but they are the first people to say communication, but umntu doesn't communicate.
50-50.
Ingoku mna ndiyo like that 50-50 ndiba msinya.
And as in dating in 2026, it surprised me the most. But amadoda, they are no longer protective.
Exactly.
They are no longer protective. What do you bring to the table? Ufuna 50-50. Boy, go work.
Umntu uzamfumana uprotector kubhuti wakhe.
Thini?
Usazi uyifumana into yoprotector. Umntu xa umkwazi uba bhuti, kaloku sana xa ucele nje imali, xa ndithenge imali, umntu athi, hayibo njani? Njengazingilwene. Njani?
And Nina, in 2026, Nina need dating qualifications. Whoa. Serious. I said, name. Oh, you know that date a lazy bum. No. But if you what do I benefit you? If I pay for your Wi-Fi, she's gonna pay for your rent. If I do this, a man takes care of your bills, guys. Tina, we need to worry about the maintenance. Oh, I didn't do my nails. For example, Yena, she's worried about doing her nails on Friday. So imagine, well, guys, dating 2026, the dating pool is under the carpet. It's under the carpet. It's under the carpet. In the surprise there, but nah. Question 2: do you think dating apps are better or worse?
Worse.
What him? Than they were a few years ago.
Worse. Because kudala kaloku awukwazi umfuna love of your life. Niphume out on a date. Ngoku amadoda abafuna uba uze creeping yabo. Ufike nilale no together. Abafuni uphuma niyotya out get to know them. Because kaloku sekwi-app umntu andazi bayitreza uFacebook.
Or not even. You meet a guy on Tinder. In 2 weeks' time, that's a favor. Don't is a favor. Yeah, come here, Orlando.
It's not man.
Didn't you stay in the popular Italy?
Alright.
Don't say the guys are matter that.
Ngicela babuye naqala.
No, icala njani bayithuke wona wazini?
Umzekelo this other time caba lo mfana I met him kwi-app. Caba uthi kumuntu mana, oh yazi I'm stuck anamali anamali ophangela ndakimeke hayi shamzokwenza njani ke ngoku like i-family members zakho ziphi. He's like, no, family members zam zikhona bomam udla undinika imali but ke ngoku nawe akanamali. Ndathi hayi shem uzube right ufike safe emsebenzini because naye bazawuzokwenza njani. He was trying to ask money but not directly. Indirectly mna ndizambonela licebo xa ndinoceba mna.
And then ask for imali.
After I sent that message, he was like, oh, okay. And then he kept quiet after that.
Okay, yeah, I'm calling back your son. Previous. Question 3. What's a modern dating trend you secretly hate? A modern dating trend you secretly hate?
Having a joint account. That's a trend. I don't like that. Why is it a joint account?
Is that a trend?
I
even
on TikTok.
I can't.
I also remember. I couples in the app day one.
Are they married? Okay, yes, couple.
I'm in July.
Abe ne-joint account.
Oh, and another trend is that amadoda near public with the relationship yenu, and then all of a sudden she. That's becoming a trend. Like akumithise. Actually, why we meet actually after giving birth? Ayifuna omnye umuntu gqwaxa ukathi nobana ulanda unika attention nawunika.
That is nasty. Ndizonika nje attention postpartum indibambe eshiqi. I just gave birth, bruh. I've spent my years, my months and seeing my body through changes as till like it's difficult for me to and then guys, I'm not good people. What's your biggest non-negotiable in relationship now? My biggest non-negotiable, like this
Respect.
Like regardless.
Boundaries. Boundaries.
Respect boundaries. I do not when respect boundaries, ne? Uba uyindoda ene social media, do not like every girl's post, bro. Like iba ne social media, ne? But la social media yakho mayimotivate wena uba mawube nemali. Do you understand? Yenze some motivational quotes. Like money, but don't be easy to get. Ibona lamantombazana xa sipipipi now, but here's my money.
I hate living in boundaries because on the boundaries, people can see nobana jonga. Especially when you're out with your partner. Ufika ubamba amanye amantombazana. Sengamanye amantombi ekubambayo. So you don't know.
What's one red flag you ignored before but never would again?
Indoda enamantombazana amaninzi ithumbi. Oh,
but I red flag.
It is.
How?
One of those girls either slept with that man or bayamfuna, or the guy wants that girl.
For me, red flag, yeah. Who cheater, man? I feel like once you get cheated, once you cheat on me once, you're gonna do it again.
Yeah.
So yeah, no.
It's not
It's not a red flag. It's non-negotiable.
It's non-negotiable. The cheating. Like abantu bayagula. Ufumanise uba umntu une-HIV. I've read too many traumatic stories on Facebook. Umntu athi uyikwale indoda yakhe imtshita, all of a sudden yena she's living with HIV. Into enokwenza yona sana lwam. Oh, ndingakuyela kwamhlabi uyalingana.
Kuba mhlawumbi uyalingana.
Hayi bo, ndingakusa kwixhwele igodi mna. Ubani? Then the show uba ubhubha msinya or something happens to you that's so traumatic. Uyicinge uba, oh man, ndimoshile laa mntana. What was the story?
My sister, life is not Nollywood.
No.
Abantu they.
I will make sure my life is Nollywood.
Yes, ngixelele. Into endiyenye ngabantu le. There's this trend edikayo on social media ethi bana just because he cheated on you okanye utheni, don't think uThixo uzampanisha laa mntu. uThixo usithanda sonke. Iyadika laa nto, iyadika. You don't invalidate abanye ii-feelings zabanye abantu. I've seen kuTikTok enye intombazana yaba istress uba intoda yakhe into nentoni. She wishes uba she doesn't wish them bad or she doesn't wish them good. No. But the comments under the post were like, whether you wish them bad or good, sucinga fancy uba uThixo akabathanda. uThixo unabantu bakhe abathandayo. Bonke ngabantu bakhe.
And now, I
she's
believe
hurt,
the power
bro.
of the word.
She's hurt. If ndithi makatsheswe imoto phaa ibhasi.
I believe the power of the word. If ndithe ingase ubhubhe ngoku. Or something happens to you, but I do believe in the power of the word. I do believe in
What's
the
your
power of the
heart,
word.
bro? Do you believe in right person or wrong time?
Yes.
Do you? Mna I don't believe in that. Mna. I feel like I'm self-guarded to a point, but I can see through you. I can see through you. I can see through your BS, bruh. Where's the wrong time? Okay, I'm misunderstanding the question.
The thing is, the right person, wrong time is when you guys are so good for each other.
But the wrong timing.
It is the wrong timing where it's either you're so right for each other, but he's cheating with a girl, or he's not there where he wants to be in life.
Okay, but he wants to collaborate.
But you guys are so good together. When you guys are together,
chemistry.
Yeah. I've had that for instance where we are so good together. However, he's not where he wants to be. And
Oh, you're not
Ungavumi
the
abantu.
ones to be
Ewe.
with.
So I do think sometimes ungadibana nomuntu in like later in life, niphinde nidibane, and then that
That's
could be the
right time. But again, what we do realize by now, once we're in Domazana, like speaking for myself, once in the now and then we try to rekindle things, try to get back together. It's not the same. It's never the same in my own perspective. It's never the same. It's either I'm gonna freaking if you've cheated on me, it's either I'm gonna cheat on you like I'm cheated on permanent. Okay, and yes, man, it's never the same.
But for me, it's a thing of banana. It's the right partner in terms of, but he never cheated me. He never did the wrong things or hurt me, my feelings or whatever. It's just that you're not where you want to be. I'm not where I want to be. So you know, say
How?
like if career wise or emotionally, ezinye izinto.
I understand the emotional. I understand the emotions.
Even if I'm coming because of cheating, I'm coming because of differences in later enough you guys can get together again because the first thing in then is that you guys were not
Changed.
you guys are not where you want to be. So you know say uhambe siyazi uba yintoni esiyifuna ebomini bethu and then ke ngoku imagine kalokhumbula mna ndisemncinci yaqaphela.
Then is it ndiyayidispute and ndayithi career wise because you're so young.
Uyayibona?
Okokuqala. Okwesibini, you can never be career right at your age. There are people who are lucky out there abafundi right from high school and then varsity and then internship yonke laa nto then abarayithi ebomini. But kaloku career wise ana at your age kukho umntu ozothi ubana career hayi please
At your age.
Right.
It's understandable kweyakho age. Kweyam
Right.
it's understandable kumshem.
Right.
Because since we were like more basically because I knew in the we were right for each other, so right. He was so good to me. But it's just that we are so different, man. He has his own dream, now I have my own dream. So I feel like each dreams that were in a way of a relationship.
What dreams?
Umzekelo mna ndingathi
Unless he's moving abroad, but okay,
no.
no.
Like let's say uba uzama ukufixa ubomi bakhe. Education, the career, yabo.
Then it's bana it's understandable ngolo hlobo. Wangathi umuntu bana mina ingxaki yami indlela endithetha ngayo ngoku ingathi bana career wise just because you're not where I'm at.
When you at where you at kaloku yena mfana.
Umfana
yena where you at.
Okay.
Like besimzekelo ngishaya nge-2 years. Where are you at mna ndingekho at?
Okay. Ndakuva ke ngoku.
Yabo. Kuwena you have a different perspective.
Mna right person wrong time. And then locked down. I right person wrong time now yeah. What does emotional maturity look like to you now? Oh please, emotional maturity. Oh, we're talking about dating. When I vent to my partner and then he comforts me, he tells me the right things. Not by sweet nothings. No, like izinto ezakhayo. I'm there for you emotionally. Not to tell nomntu yamanzi uba right baby. Yamanzi uba right baby. Awuzundisendela la mali edatha ke ngoku.
Okay. Kofunyanisile because sometimes you don't even need umuntu ozophinda athethe. You just want umuntu ozomamela. Like akumamele uba unengxaki akumamele qha. Then abuze uba okay ithini i-way forward. Wena ubona njani?
Work with me.
Sube ungxamela, sungxamisa.
Don't rush me.
And also sewune-complaint ngomuntu ufike usithi andimthandi ubani okanye ubani lenze into ethile.
Amyeke baby.
Okanye uthi wena andimfundi ubani andifuni ukuthi naye hayibo udenzeni utheni mna ndizamyeka.
I understand where I'm coming from, what I'm trying to say, bro. Like, and this man is here to show me tintini. Hear me out. Ndizamutini. Manje ngathi xa ndixelela into endiyithanda kwaye ubani ndiyini. Myeke besimmoya.
Ndifuna umoya.
I feel like because ndise kuwe because ndifuna umoya. I feel like ngoku ngathi uyandigezela ngoku.
Ndizama ukunika uzwini. Wena uclever nami.
Uba nedrama. Unnecessary.
Ndinayo but kaloku usundixelela. So don't indirectly tell me about nedrama.
Number 8, are you more focused on building a future or finding love right now? I'm building my
Future.
future. I'm building my
You know,
future.
I'm celibate.
Mm-mm.
It's been a while.
But love is a man. I'm building my
Like
future.
my mom has always told me, but now I'm not going to corner.
Mm-mm.
But the future yakho ayizuhlala khona. So if you don't build yourself, I always believe that when you're in your 20s, you're there to build your future.
Build yourself.
Build indoda. Yes, a man can come here athi umzekelo athi umuntu uzosponsorisha or azobhatalela izinto zesikole akho ngxaki nalapho. You should say no man, I'm here to build my future. Selijola mna. I will focus esikolweni. Nase-high school andisinaloo nto. Athi umuntu awundihoyi ndithi bhuti hamba because you are not seeing the future. Ayibona ifuture uba ndifuna uzisetyora ngoku.
You're not centering ubomi bakho endodeni. That's it. Don't center your life around men because Sana Umdu can switch up on you and then leave you with nothing. With nothing.
Ungakusho nomntana.
Not even umntana share. Unamaphupha sana uzenzele college nathi namanda athi baby drop out and like oh, I'm gonna take it. But like this story is so sad, bro.
Sometimes esikolweni
Share with nothing. Yena be as elevator yena as builder umsebenzi we housewives house girlfriend yonke you're doing nothing yena be as elevator nesibala bro.
Yewethu esikolweni sasifunda nabantu ufumaniseke
That's
baxoxa
actually not nice.
Chomi umdala lo muntu sifunda naye unabalisa sana ba yena ubomi bakhe wabumisa ngqi sana ubomi bakhe wafocus endodeni wafocus ebantwaneni bakhe ngokubonile ba indoda iyamgezela
Because nezinto zonke
indoda iyamgezela so yena she decided about she's gonna go back to school wabuyela college
right.
and she's like andikho mdala for isikolo yes umdala yena umdala ukuthi
But you are never old for your school.
exactly
You are never old for your school. The next question is, what's something people misunderstand about your dating life? Right now, they misunderstand, but am I still together with my baby daddy? Have we broken up? That's for me to know and for you to mind your business.
For me they misunderstand into yobana andingumntu ojolayo because they always think uba ndiyajola and xa ndijolile it's like too strict. It's not actually strict, it's just common sense and common decency.
Right now, I feel like you're way more mature for your age.
Probably.
You know, dibana nto engenangqondo wena.
Kodwa nanti ayicinga inengqondo wena uyibona ungathi
Men play, bro. Men, you know,
mna I believe uba ingamabomi.
men, ingqondo yabo batshela of not all men, but it's always a man. They sit on their brain. They sit on their brain. Ingqondo yabo bayibeka emthunzini sana and then eyakho kufuneke uthi and then xa usithi ke ube ngathi uyaraka you're a psycho.
Ingqondo yayiphangela overtime. Ingqondo yayipholisa abantu.
Okay. Would you rather have a peaceful relationship or a passionate one? Like a peaceful relationship, like a passionate relationship, you guys want the same thing. You guys are all about each other. You guys don't like you are guys are passionate about each other. You're passionate about everything involving the two of you guys. And then a peaceful relationship, like peace, like be his peace. He must be your peace. Bro, like see me in all stages of my life. If now you're gonna experience that. And like you're gonna see every side of me, but as long as we're working it out. That's it.
Peace and love is coming.
I think
you learn like manthethi into nami undiphoxa nami andiphoxe ngokundiphoxa
joke.
Ewe ndiyithanda
What's your biggest personal goal for 2026? Is to reach 1,000 subscribers on YouTube.
For me, sogqiba le semester sendike finish. Jonga, ndike finish. Andifuna eda any more inyanga nenyaka.
Why?
Andisafundike now.
Why editors?
Oh.
But I'm not one to say because that drop out on my second year. So, but I'm gonna go back though, as we said earlier. Safety society, criminal law, yonke governance, yonke laa nto esikolweni. Right, like, you don't understand, but going phana ndandisiya because I started in 2019 first year. I was very passionate about studying le course nandiyenza. But then something happened in 2019. Then ngoku kwanyanzeleka ngo-2020 ndingafundi unyaka wonke. And then when I went back, it was never the same. Like it was never the same. New people, new lecturers. My friends are not there anymore. Some dropped out, some. Well, so ndibuyela. And I fell out of love. That's one of my this is not what I want. And then what else was a court hearing? Someone was shot in front of us.
What?
A court, imagine. So now for my nobody like kids on my pursue. Nobody bomba
Is this the life you want to live?
Is this the life I want to live for myself? That's no. There's no. So I want to go back, but do a different thing.
Hope you can also do that, man. You can.
But the oh, Sana. But I'm going to pursue. And then mind my business. Only rather corrupt and up and went down. But it's not easy, man. It's not easy, but yeah, it's my bomb. But my goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers before this year ends. Oh, sorry, on YouTube. What's it? Subscribers. How do you stay?
Who can you?
Close to 300.
No.
700 people more.
I haven't got one now.
What's a habit you've trying to leave behind this year? Procrastination.
You can change it.
Yo, hi, kancameki. Akayeki.
Habit, young man.
No, some relationships we have to slow down because life is sesaziwa.
Yo.
Sesaziwa sisiza nje. Oh, hi.
And uyasibona ngoba usancomela. Usancomela futhi.
3 times a week.
Bayasondla. Bayasondla phazilizekile.
How do you stay disciplined when motivation fades?
Yalala. Yalala. Awufanele right. Ayikho nto edlula
How do I stay disciplined?
Because kaloku if ingxaki yes you can do that.
Yalila and bounce back.
Yabo.
Like i-discipline yami zinyembezi and bounce back.
Because kaloku when you too deep in your feelings like uba bengiqalele ntoni, then uye uyicinga kolila uyazi ukuthi oh my god why did I start, and then you kanini, then you watch ezinye video. I go back to i-drawing board. Umzekelo if I had videos to motivate myself, ndibuyela back kweza videos, loo nto i-kickstart ingqondo uba this is why I started. Then uphinde go back. Nakum eleke ndifunda like whenever we're writing exams kule module ndiyenzayo ndicinga uba shit bakutheni ndiyenze le nto phinde ndicinga uba this is what I wanted in the beginning. This is what and it will be worth it because kaloku uyawubona nee-outcomes ke ngoku.
What's something you're proud of the most that people don't see? Being a good mom. I am the best mom ever. But people do see that. Proud of them. That people don't see. And being a good mom. Because I want people, apart from my father saying, hi, you know I'm a good mom. They don't see that. But I don't post much about my child. I don't want my child to be on social media. I don't want my child to be out there. As long as you see him, then we're good. Like, be a good mom, bro.
That's amazing. Mna is staying in school. For me, it's staying in school.
And a lot of people don't know. Last time I checked, and then we start at the same time.
Exactly.
Then people were here go out and then no one knows anything. Because you always indoors. That's what I like.
Staying in school and what? Because I've been getting a gap here. No. Kanti sabewandiniwe manje hlala phansi.
And it's okay udinwe as long as uzophinda uphakame futhi xa ubuyele esikolweni.
Sengibulela nje loo nto mna.
It's okay udinwa, guys.
And also being a good daughter.
Being a good daughter.
Kodwa nyani yaziphinda ngikhulela kaze.
Good.
Sana amantombazana bobanje are very disrespectful. At my age. Ufika umuntu omlawula mama yakhe. Mom son still has the image. Angikhaba ngiphambane.
Lo mama kawumstress nomstressa. No, at your age, I was rebellious, Shem. Ngifuna ungatsho. But I was never a problematic child.
La phase uba rebellious yangigqitha.
No, I was never a problematic child. Zange ndibe yi-rebel to a point uba ngoku ndiphuma kwisithathinthi not kanjalo. But ndizothini na into bendiyenza and then ndiyenze and then I'm gonna see outcomes ngomso.
Yeah.
If mama ngithebana naye kule weekend mandingayi kwi-groove, I'll sneak my clothes out of the window, stop in gym, then go out and then ndibuye ndinqonqoze. And they should open for me. And then buye ngo-12, buye ngo-11, 10. They should open for me. But ke ngoku later in life ndaba mdala nanebusixho sam 21st birthday yenzeka yonke loo nto. Has chasing your goals ever cost you a relationship?
Yes.
Yes, wena. No.
Yes.
Same. Nam yes.
Yes. Because I'm done.
Yes, because yena ungulaa mntu ubana he doesn't believe in what I did. Yonke laa nto. I remember there was this guy I was dating there, so we didn't see eye to eye. We wanted different things. Yena wangasekasi, small about it's kasi lifestyle. After matric, yena uzoyophangela kanti besana nesikolo lento mna asiyobana study yonke laa nto. So ndithe xa sendiba ndigqiba umatric wami yonke laa nto into zethu za-aligna. So yandicost relationship yam. But he wanted to work out. I was like, no, because wena I feel like umncinci kumngoku engqondo nayo yonke into. Because ii-goals zam align nezakho. Wena ufuna upata 24/7 phi umthatha lounge. Mna ndifuna ntoni? Ndifuna what I want. Do you get it? Yeah, so yeah.
I do shame because kaloku sana. And I always believe into yobana if umuntu uyakuthanda uza kuyenza le nto ifuna uyenza. Like usupport you. If ufuna ufunda uza kusupporta. Even if awuthi khanti uba lo fundo kathanda ume textbook. I'll support uba no, xa ixesha lokufunda funda.
Even if wena ne uzibona ufuna ukufunda yena akafuna ukufunda, make bakhona into ayenzayo ngezandla zakhe in life bra. Mandingathi mna ndibe ndi-elevator wena ufuna usokola ufuna imali andiyifuni bra laa nto. Andiyifuni laa nto. And I feel like iyakhosta shem like singabantu. And I feel like we shy away from the fact that bana ngoku sekunjalo ngoku. Sekunjalo ngoku. The next question is, what does success look like to you right now? Success looks like
Success.
Yes. Success looks like waking up in the morning and not knowing what day it is, not having financial problems, to be sustainable, everything to be stable in life. To be stable, and not depend on doing. Kungabikho mntu uzodependa kum besides my child and obviously my baby daddy.
It's honestly being financially free. Not stressing about anything. Because at this point, I'm successfully don't. Because I'm stressed by fortunate enough, but
yes, she has a very good mom. A very good mom.
I'm very like clear, but I see the success.
Your mom shame.
Inqabile.
Such an age ngesithi umzali ngoku.
Nguye esikoleni mama. Uhamba uphangela nini? Hearing stories abanye abantu.
I feel like yayibona laa nto indlela ekhuliswe ngayo nayo umzali. So uyiphola kuwe laa trauma.
Ewe. Unyanisile.
Indlela akhule ngayo umzali naye. So uyiphola kuwe laa nto. And then ke ngoku mna akanandlela yoyibeka kuwe.
Banaye wakhula kanje. For me nako umama yena ukhulewe. In a way ba nawo nowakhe umzali bemotivate ba abantu ufuna ukuthi nokulo mzange afunde manje. Ngabantu xa grade 3 ungumedem. Yela xa ungumedem xa grade 3. Nje ngawo ungathi nguprincipal xa grade 3.
1
yakhe.
Oh, beautiful.
Bake Bona they were pushed by yiya esikolweni yiya kumatric gqiba ufunda phangela. Do you get it? So loo nto wethu nayo ndayibona phaa kumakhulu wam, and then from there it's just like iya kuyo yonke igeneration uba motivate abantwana baye esikolweni. So for me, I believe uba isikolo sister.
Hey, what should you do? What fear are you actively trying to overcome in 2026? Fear.
Fear of failing. Oh wow.
No, that's the level of fear I overcome because I believe I can always start over.
I'm not fear and go na.
Because when you are in it, but you can always.
The thing is, I can actually break last semester, last year, I did break. I'm a break when it's
It costs you.
Okay. So now I'm like, so I'm going to do it.
Maybe I'm fear. I'm scared of my future. Like in Zamu's Kalani, I'm gonna be this successful child. I'm gonna be this successful YouTuber. This has I'm scared of what I'm gonna become.
I'm scared.
I'm so scared because I know, bruh, like I'm gonna make it in life. I'm gonna be this successful YouTuber. Yes, why?
What are you scared?
This scared because and yes, but design balances and journey. And yes, you understand about what? Like it's when deep content creator in so that's why you fear like even working with brands, bro. Oh, it's so scary. So scary. So scary.
Not that bad.
So scary. What's one promise you've made to yourself this year?
Now the promise that I made to myself this year is to not focus on the negativity. Even that it changes the hands, and to not focus on what my peers are doing. Oh, and also because I'm actually whatever. I'm
like you're running out of time.
Pace I go on the ubani ngenxa yebeni
Makes sense, right? Makes sense.
So yes, ngibonile abantwana endifunda nabo bagraduatile. Congrats on them. However, kum andibethela nangudo uba ndifuneke nam ndikhawuleze. No, babes.
Graduated
Even this year.
But it's not like anyone is value after bona graduating. It's not like isikolo sipheli.
No.
Nditsho nam after begraduatile, it's not like wena yakho chance uzuyifumana.
No, like khange mina abantu uba oh my god, like ndiyashekela and stuff. No, it's just like bagraduatile, that's nice.
Mna itsho mem graduate and then I think 2021, 2022, I'm not sure. When I graduated, I felt bad. Damn, bro. We could have been together. Yes, we still graduated song because that's the promise we've made. So that's by 4. Only 1 out of 4 graduated. I get much like also the group each one like close friends that's by 4. But just you group like but the tina close that's by 4. Only 1 out of 4 graduated. I was like, okay, I'm so happy for you, for her name. Oh, show me, I know she worked so hard and she worked hard. Ipusha naye isenzela loo nto, but at the back of my mind nalani bana sihamba sisonke ngoku siziitshomi. Do you get it? Sisonke ngoku. But yeah, life choices. Who inspires you to keep pushing when things get hard? Myself. Your mom. Myself. You know her mom. Sana to be a mom. I'm gonna be art my mom. Yes, now.
Yeah,
mom. Okay.
Always.
My mom.
Mom.
Okay. Has being a creator changed how people approach you romantically?
You can't relate.
You can't relate. Hey, I'll be Yes, from my hometown, eh? Strand. Not like hometown, but from where I come from. Strand. People know that I make YouTube. People are tapped in on my YouTube channel, but they do not subscribe. So oyi-one phana ukhona omnye umshito was like, yho ndibona wenza uYouTube ngonto nentoni kunzima nokuapproacha ngoku because ndiza kwenza i-story time ngathi. Hayibo.
People have been having done that.
Story time ngathi.
TikToker uzokwenza story time ngawo.
Hayibo, come on, bra.
Ndingenza story time ngento encinci nje.
Hayibo sana.
Uzokwenza story time ngomile.
Yabona ndithethele ngonto yakho ngoku. Bra, like people watch, and they pretend like they're not watching. They don't know my channel. They pretend as if they do not know but I have YouTube. Strand people know I have YouTube, but they not subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's funny how abantu abaninzi they know me from TikTok. Let's say abantu Strand obvious bayandazi ne. But abanye kwenye i-section of Strand, let's say Greenfield umntana hi ndibona pha ku TikTok, omnye hi ndibona pha ku YouTube but remember you've never commented on my YouTube.
They're watching.
Never, but bro, you're watching. I know you're watching. Would you date someone who doesn't support your content or goals? No. Why? Ndiyaphisana umuntu uzodikwa xa ndisithi ndikhuphe ikamera yam ndiyavloga abe umuntu enentloni ebhekelisa kum and stuff. No. Date someone who's going to align nento zakho. Now you're going to align with their things. Ufuna ntoni umuntu onga-align nento zakho zani? Umuntu uzakwenza ufile small xa ukhuphe ifowuni urekhoda. Bengathi uyamjonga wenza umjojo uyakujambisa.
And then
Come on.
njengojona nomntu njena uzawuhamba ayofumana omnye umntu ogqaphe nablame kuwe ofuthi mna don't even care noma ungamblame umblamela lona then wenze nokuzincinci ndifuna into ongasapotiyo mna
Okanye umuntu usanafuna uvela kwii-vlogs when it's even beneficial kuye.
hayi
Xa ubona ngongathi ii-brands yonke into iyapopa sana umuntu ufuna uvela kwii-vlog umuntu ufuna uthini OOTD naye boy bye.
ngeke ngilungele.